I'm Adrian Sutton. I am the director of the Doctoral Training Center on Theory and Simulation of Materials, and I'm very proud to be so. The Doctoral Training Center is something that I have personally wanted to do for more than 30 years, and I'm absolutely delighted that we are now able to offer it. The DTC is about theoretical and computational aspects of materials. This is a relatively new aspect of materials science, and it really involves the work of theoretical physicists and chemists and engineers working together, working across the length scales to understand materials all the way from electronic structure through microstructure right up into components at the engineering scale. We want to attract students who are not only interested in theory, but who actually want to see that work put to some good use. What's special about the DTC is that you have 4 years, during the first year of which you're thoroughly grounded in the theory and techniques of simulating materials. At the end of all this coursework, the students get an MSc as an added bonus. The defining feature of all the DTC PhD projects is that they must span at least 2 or more length scales. This requires that students will have at least 2 supervisors, one in each of the adjacent length scales. There's an enormous range of research topics undertaken here at Imperial, all of them involving the theory and simulation of materials. Just a few examples. There's the work in John Pendry's group on metamaterials, creating invisibility cloaks. There's the work in the aeronautics department and mechanical engineering on polymer nanocomposites for aerospace. And then there's work in physics and also in materials on materials for nuclear power, for fusion as well as fission. We really do take care to look after our students. As soon as they arrive, they receive a MacBook Pro laptop. They are housed in the Whiteley suite alongside 2 other DTCs, the DTC on plastic electronics and also controlled quantum dynamics. They have their own space within the Whiteley suite. They have a room where they can work. They also have a kitchen facility. They have their own teaching space here and their own administrator. This DTC addresses a need that's been recognized by academics and industrialists, not only in the UK, but across the world. So if you do enjoy theoretical work, and you want to see that theory applied to something really useful, and something that is going to be of lasting benefit to society, then I urge you to seriously consider applying to this Doctoral Training Center.